What are you doing to ensure that this democracy benefits from a vibrant, viable position?
Well, I want to say to you that Nigerians know me very well when President Buhari was to come. From day one, I made it very clear that the president will not do well. I did not hide. I was open to it, and I say it repeatedly. May I say to you, sir, ladies and gentlemen of the press, let me tell you, if Asiwaju turns back on his promise, all he said when he was campaigning, I will be the first to talk. I am not timid, though, and I don't shy away from facing challenges. But the man I have seen today, I don't eulogize and I don't praise to curry favor. I am no more a small boy. Let me tell you, the man I saw today, and for the actions we have seen, means well for Nigeria. But if there's any reason to derail, it will not be deliberate. And we will all be able to draw his attention to his brief as the President and Commander-in-Chief of our country. Let us be optimistic, let us be hopeful, and let us believe that there will be a turnaround.
This one last one. At what point are you comfortable with APC governing Nigeria and maybe 60 years that we had only PDP around? If not, at what level are you going to start opposition against APC?
We're already in opposition, sir. Sorry? I'm doing more than opposition. If the government in power is not doing the right thing, we'll be courageous enough to tell the government in power. That was why I told you, when Buhari was president in this country, I didn't shy away from telling him the truth and the government. And may I say to you, I said it here, that if the president, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, is shying away from his brief, Fayose will be courageous enough to tell him. You see, I'm 63, I'm not a small boy anymore. That time is gone. We are not boys who will eat akara and forget your parents. I stand by what I say, and I want to assure you, you don't have to even be in a political party to stand up for stand in opposition. But you don't oppose when you don't need to oppose, though. You don't fight an innocent person if that person has not done anything wrong. So what do we want to criticize Asiwaju for today? That, in your opinion, we should ask you whether you are APC. We should ask you too. Any other question? Ask some question about let him answer. Thank you. Let him answer question. Yeah, come. That guy is from Ekiti. Let him come and ask. I'm here. Yes.
I know you noticed that non-Nigerians want Nigerians to be active. What do you make of the removal of subsidy that is because I know very well Nigerians are not going to pay money. What do you make of that?
May I say this to you again, that at that point in time, even if Asiwaju didn't become the president of Nigeria, all the other aspirants publicly said they will remove subsidy. So that means that's the only way to go. Obi said I will remove. He said it was a racket. Atiku said it's a racket. Certain cabals are enjoying it. Asiwaju said, when I get there, I will remove. He has removed. There's no time you will have things going on perfectly. But when we are working towards perfection, things will turn around. A damaged house cannot stand up like a new house. You need to repair it to make it what it ought to be. What he did so far, so good.